Hello guys, I'd like to show you how to set up passwordless SSH authentication on client servers. I do have only one client server, so I will show you how to do that on one, but you can use a script and run that command on your main server using client IPs one by one and provide the password and set it up. So let me show you how to do it on one client server. So the very first one, we need to run SSH keygen with the T is the type RSA and 4096 is encryption method. So you can use the lower number, but higher is more secure. So let's go to the main server and so I have one main server and one client server, and which I'll show you um, mm, how to connect with the client. So right now I'm using password. So I use password to connect to this client server, but I like to set it up the here you can see that those the keys are created. So there is a one public, this one, and one private. So private is not the one we use to connect to the remote server. We share the public key with the client server and set it up. So so here you can see we have connected to the client server without providing the password with SSH. So we have set up passwordless authentication successfully on the client server. So every time we let me go to this and run it one more time. And every time we run the SSH, and we do not need to provide the password. And basically, this one is used to set up for the Ansible automation. So I'm just showing you, you can use multiple servers on the same line to provide the copy SSH ID command and then run a script where username at IP is the IP for the client server and set it up on number of servers remotely. So this is all I have. but let me show you the commands, the rundown, how I did it. So very first one, I run SSH keygen command with the T type, and the key type is RSA, and then I use the bit size of encryption, which is 4096, and then I created that the keys, which I can show you, private and public key, and we use public key to share with the client server, and then I run that ssh-copy-id command, and then system sysadmin is my username, and my password was my IP was 192.168.6.105, and then I provided the password for the main server because it is a kind of sudo command, and then I provide the password for the client server, and that is all I need to do. And now my passwordless authentication is set up successfully, and I do not need to provide the password anymore for when I like to log into the remote server. So let's see, and here I am on that my, and here you can also see the IP address for the client server. So we are on the client server, and I can exit and go back to the main server. This is all I have on SSH passwordless authentication topic. If you have any question or comments, please check comment section below. Also, please subscribe the channel and press bell icon to receive new video notification on topics such as Linux, Unix administration, and cybersecurity. Thank you.